This goat looks so pretty. Like enyuma okubeerawo just ng'ogirabako obulabi. And then I have a junior. Hello guys, so I'm going to town. To deliver some wine, and after I'll go home. So I was telling you, I'm going to town. I just wanted to show you my outfit and then tell you what I'm going to do on the weekend. So today is Saturday. I'm going to town. I have wine to deliver. I also have classes, so up to the evening. So after, I'm going to just go straight home. I'm going in Kono, and tomorrow I'll be in Kayunga, just in the village, to do something. So this is the bag that I'm taking. It has my laptop, everything that I want to use. I have clothes home. So yeah, this is my outfit, and I'm just going to hold this bag. Guys, I bought a laundry basket, and I feel like it looks good there. So for the shoes, I'm wearing this Zara from Soulmate Shoe. So this place looks nice. Tell me, I wanted to go to the beach today, but my friend cancelled because Yabada gonna be busy. So yeah, I couldn't go, but I need to go soon. So I'm going to go now. See you when you see me. I don't know why I'm filming with the front camera, but I'm home, so I'm going in the village. Okay, so today we're going to be in the village, but not in work. So we're going to be in Kayunga. So let's see how it's going to be. Malcolm, how are you? You're fine. Yes, so let me see how it's going to be. Quite impressive. Likuse. Rakati. Tandaba nti nno wendi naye ng'aho omutima gumuli ku bukoko we wange naye kati aziize. Tubeera sometimes tutira weereere mbwe emiti gitaking our time. Now look at this. If you want to do something, guys, you just start something that you want to do. These trees, I cannot believe zituse wanini. I cannot believe they are here. Like, what? I think after actually a few months ago I came here. I've been coming, but I've not been filming. And they were young, like very, very young. But look at them now. If you need something, if you want something, do not listen to negative people, okay? Just do it. I mean, I'm a village girl. This is what I mean by being a village girl. This makes me happy. Like, this is what I mean by I love farming, because sometimes you need to be patient, sometimes you need to be passionate, because if you're passionate about it, honestly, you're going to beat all the odds. I cannot enter there because I fear, I'm scared, and my dad has gone down. So if you want to do something, please do it. Let me show you. Just recently twasimba Jineno, and they're here. Look at them, you guys. This makes me happy. This makes me happy. Your broken girl is happy. Yeah, so if you want to do something, just go ahead and do it. Nemtija 8 months. No, yeah, 8 months actually. 8 months. Like, I mean 8 months. Oh good. Your village girl is excited and happy. Like, look at this. Now we have different sizes, and I'm just here to brag. I'm here to brag, like to brag, passionately brag. Now if I stand here, you're going to see them. Like, what? You don't know how I'm excited. So I'm not in Waxo today. I'm not in Waxo today. I'm in Kayunga, and I've come to check on my things, some of the things here, and it's really amazing to find such things. I cannot enter here. Inside is there, but yeah, that is the maze. It looks nice. It is nice. The trees are okay, and to be honest, you guys, farming, I think I'm going to be rich in the next like in the next year, because I'm doing something that I love, and yeah, something that I'm passionate about. You know, most of you actually cannot believe that I love farming, or I do, but I honestly do. Like, look at this. This makes me happy. Guys, actually kati mulimu emito, mulimu nga gino, but they look so nice, they look so pretty. So you guys, I was telling you, if you feel like you have passion in something, just go ahead and do it. Do not listen to people, because honestly, not everyone is going to support your dream. Now here, Tanabalimayo, but I think you can see the trees. Like, look at them. So we decided to utilize the land to take a solid space, because yeah, the trees are already outstanding, so it cannot affect them. Okay, but look at that. So even the maize is doing good. Nanga what is koyeno tambula mbawala. Soon I'm going to be showing you the things that I'm doing this side in Kayunga. Besides the poultry or chicken farming, I have other things that I'm doing, and yeah, one of them is this. Just doing farming, and you know, I'm so happy. What are you losing? Gali kumpi ogategera ne bagasima ne tujjira nga tetukyabonabona n'amazzi kijjaba tukitwanguyira. Olaba kati gino emiti nakyo gyali gifudde wano, gyali gize, ate kati ne mu lumonde simanyi biki byali bizisse, naye kati laba teginabera na myezi 3 nga tubijjeemu naye giryoke kiza weebaale bannange. Kyova namugamba naye nga mugamba ye gundi eriwa, so just mubeera mukwataganira wamu namugira kuba nange naye nemiti girabika bulungi bannange. Girabika bulungi, tugenda wummuliranga eno, tugenda wummuliranga eno nti bwegindira tuuka nga tegikyaliwo nga tufuna omwo mu shed wali mu maaso. This is nice, well done. Tugenda bawala nnyo bana eginyirira.
Ate ogenze mu nziki kino emiti twagitandika gwa munana singa mwalimu ekigimusa John wano mwegiri
giri munda nze newuunya abantu abatagala kyalo, abantu tugende banayenze njaka aye gwe naawe okwagala ekyaki akanze nkikulemezaamu. Omusuta musuta gugenze omwo.
Nemoka tetuuka fuwano oyinza okulaba nga abali mu kyalo ennyo naye nga n'emmotoka
ye type yemu yo yemu era miwanvu.
Oh my god, oh my god, this is so nice. You guys, this goat is just one month and 3 days and 5 days, but look at it. Look at that. That's what we call a breed. A breed. Let me just come here. Come on. She's running. Anyway, I don't want to disturb you. And then there is this one. Told me to do something. Told me I cannot do something. I'll do it thrice and give you good results. Okay? Look at this one. This is another one. Yo, oh my god. Ooh, this is so cute. Let me show you another one. Hey mama. Hey mama. Come here. Why are you running? Eh. Is it mine? Obedo changa to mine mukama ogwe. Ngina manyi. Ezembo zisifanagana ezimu. Ezinga. Zifanagana. Gwe. Tusabanga tomanyi mukama. This is another one. Look at the braid. Look at it. Oh good. Hey Brownie. Go away koze nnyo. Hey mama. Hey mama. Oh, hey mama. Come on. Come on. No. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. You look so cute and unique. Look at the ears. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on. Come on here. Way. Babu a cow. Edwa.